Hi everyone, it's Wendy Lee. Welcome back. Today I wanted to share with you a outgoing swap that I'm doing. This is with Craft Swapping Sisterhood. The link will be below as always. And this was for a Christmas pocket letter. I've never made a pocket letter before. I've always wanted to make one, but I never had a reason to until now. So I'm pretty excited about it. So let's get started and I'll show you. So I kind of folded it up so that I could mail it easy. So we wanted to try to keep it as flat as possible, which I tried to do. I tried to do that on the outside with the decorations, but it was kind of hard on the inside because like you want to stuff it full of things. So here it is. So let's see. So we've got like this cute little snowman, and you know, I didn't go too crazy decorating the outside, but I did put like some little decorations. Like I put this bow and like these little gems. Like put that little snowman. I just put like mostly like stickers and stuff on the outside because I was trying to keep it as least amount of bulk as possible, you know? So that's what the outside looks like. And then here's all the goodies that are in the back. So I made some bows, which I'll take out some of the bows to show you. So like I made some cute little bows, and I made a little Christmas sequins mix to kind of like match the paper collection that I used. And then I did like some cute little bow die cuts, you know, just in different shapes, you know, different types of bows, and like a couple of different papers. Let's see if I can pull out that like plaid one of the plaid ones. Oh, well, it looks like they're all gonna come out. So like, I'll show you the plaid paper. One of the bows from there, a couple of the bows from there. Oh my gosh, why won't my fingers work? Because I haven't had, I'm drinking coffee. Let me have a drink of coffee. Maybe my fingers will work better. See, I called them fingals. I need my coffee. Okay. So like, here's some of that. Here's some of the bows with the pretty like plaid paper that she can use. So there's those. And then I won't take these out because these are kind of easy to see. So I just took some wood snowflakes and I just decorated them with glitter. And then I did some cutouts here. They're like, some of them just have like cute little sayings like this one. And then the majority of them are like Christmas tags. So like, for example, like to and from, etc. So there's those. And then I made these, which let me take these out because these were from this was part of the Tonic Studio Christmas craft kit number 45. So I made these from that. So like I made this little peace sign with like some candy cane paper and gold paper. This one says Christmas. This one says Yuletide, and this one says holidays. Then I did a bunch of Christmas charms that I put in there. And then I did 2 different kinds of wax seals because these were really the only ones that I could fit that were kind of like Christmassy. So there was a bow and a snowflake. And then there's 2 more bows, but they're different. They're different from kind of like the heart ones that I did. And then over on the left, I decorated it with gold washi tape. And then I made like a little Christmassy tassel. So like put a little bead and a charm, Christmas tree charm, and then just did some ribbons. So there you go, guys. There's my first there's my first pocket letter. I'm definitely gonna do this again, and maybe I'll be a little bit more braver on the outside. I don't know, I was just trying to keep it flat as possible on the outside of it, but there it is. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.